Hi everyone, this is Miss Joelle here. I would love to do a tutorial today on how to apply for an LA Public Library card. And what that's going to do is that's going to give you access to thousands and thousands and thousands of ebooks and audiobooks that you can listen to on a computer or on any sort of smartphone or mobile device. So what you are going to do is you're going to start with Google and you're going to literally Google apply for an LA library card. This is the very first thing that will pop up, e-card application, and that is what you want because if you apply for an e-card, you will not have to go in person to pick anything up. So you're going to click the e-card application. You will scroll down. It does tell you if you already have an LA Public Library card, you don't need to do this. But if you don't, here is the e-card application, and you are literally going to fill in your name, your address, your phone number, your email address. This is really important so that you get their confirmation email, and your birthday. Now, unfortunately, you do have to be 18 years or older to have a public library card. However, if you have permission from your parent, you can put in your parent's birthday instead of your own, as long as they are okay with you having access to the library resources. So once you do that, you click that you're not a robot, you click I accept. This is what pops up. So it tells you your e-card number, and it says that you just got an email. So what you're going to do is you're going to check your email, and I have mine pulled up here. So this is the email that you are going to see. It says, "Dear, your name, here's your e-card, here's how to use it," but I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The important part is this: your e-card number is, and your PIN number is the last 4 digits of the phone number that you used. So you want to make sure that you know your e-card number. So I'm going to copy it right here. Maybe write it down somewhere safe or make sure to save this email. And remember that your PIN is the last 4 digits of the phone number you used. So my next step is going to be to use that card to get books or audiobooks from the library. And I'm going to show you how to do that in my next video.